Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2012 Pete 388 day cab to show you. It's built with the deleted ISX Cummins 550 horsepower, 18 speed. If you needed a loaded up, heavy spec day cab, work truck, this is it. It's 46 rears, double frame, wet kit, full lockers. It's only got 416,000 miles on it as well. Fresh out of detail, I've gotten it hot. I'm gonna do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood. Finish up on the inside. Let's go ahead and get started. The paint on this one's in really good shape. Body's in good shape as well. It's originally gray, you can see the firewall there. The only body damage I'm aware of that I can see, it's got a dent on the back side of this fender. Don't really see it unless you're, I guess, on the back side of the fender. Nothing's cracked. Everything else is in really good shape. Grill surround's in good shape. Steps are in good shape. Back side of this one too, so I'm not sure how they did that on both fenders on the back side, but got a factory split tank for your hydraulics. There's your wet kit fittings there. Good matched virgin all the way around. Air track suspension. All aluminum wheels, air slide fifth wheel. This one did have a little bit of rust on the frame rail. Not detrimental, but they've, in detail, they did clean that up. They'll take a needle gun, get rid of any of the existing rust on there, prep to repaint. Interior's nice and clean. Reloaded up, platinum interior, navigation. So we got extra gauges. Your miles and hours. The operating temperature dropped just a hair, but you see the low side oil pressure is still really good. Super smooth to the RPMs, jumps up there, around 40 on the high side, which is fantastic for a Cummins. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.